There are 5 yoga stretches that you can do in the morning that will wake your body up and help you feel better after sleeping. They can be a fantastic addition to your morning routine. Incorporating these stretches into your daily practice can help improve flexibility, increase energy levels, and promote a sense of overall well-being. Let's dive into the 5 stretches. 1. Forward fold. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and slowly fold forward from your hips, keeping your spine long. Let your head and neck relax, and feel the stretch in your hamstrings, back, and shoulders. Take a few deep breaths in this position before slowly rolling up to a standing position. 2. Cat-cow. Start on your hands and knees, with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor and lifting your gaze. On the exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin towards your chest. Repeat this gentle flowing motion for several rounds, synchronizing your breath with the movement. 3. Downward facing dog. From the hands and knees position, press your palms into the floor, straighten your legs, and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Create an inverted V shape with your body, keeping your heels grounded and your head relaxed. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. Take a few breaths in this pose before gently lowering back down. 4. Triangle pose. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn your right foot out to the side and extend your arms parallel to the floor. Reach forward with your right hand and lower it down to your shin, ankle, or the floor, while lifting your left arm towards the ceiling. Open your chest and gaze towards your left hand. Hold the pose for a few breaths, then switch sides. 5. Bridge pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press your feet into the ground and lift your hips off the floor, creating a bridge shape with your body. Interlace your fingers beneath your hips and roll your shoulders underneath you. Breathe deeply in this pose, feeling the stretch in your hips, chest, and spine. Slowly lower back down to the floor. Incorporating these 5 Fountain of Youth yoga stretches into your morning routine is a wonderful way to start your day feeling refreshed and energized. You can dedicate a few minutes to each stretch, moving through them mindfully and focusing on your breath. It's important to listen to your body and modify the poses as needed to suit your flexibility and comfort level. As you move through these stretches, you'll notice increased blood flow, improved flexibility, and a release of tension in your muscles. The deep breathing involved will help you feel more centered and present, reducing stress and promoting mental clarity. These stretches can awaken your body, providing a boost of energy that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. So, give these Fountain of Youth yoga stretches a try. Embrace the benefits of increased flexibility, improved energy, and a sense of well-being as you incorporate them into your morning routine. Enjoy the journey of connecting with your body, mind, and breath, and allow these stretches to make you feel better both physically and mentally. Let me share a personal story about how incorporating the Fountain of Youth yoga stretches into my morning routine helped me overcome debilitating back pain. For a long time, I struggled with persistent backaches that made everyday activities challenging and put a damper on my overall well-being. I was desperate for a solution that would provide relief and restore my quality of life. That's when I discovered the power of yoga and the incredible benefits of the Fountain of Youth yoga stretches. I decided to give it a try and committed to practicing these stretches every morning. Little did I know that this simple addition to my routine would be life-changing. As I started my morning practice, I focused on each stretch mindfully, allowing my breath to guide me deeper into each pose. I began with the gentle forward fold, feeling the release of tension in my back and hamstrings. The cat-cow sequence allowed me to mobilize my spine and find relief from the stiffness that had plagued me for so long. The downward-facing dog pose stretched my entire body, including my back, shoulders, and hamstrings. It felt like a revitalizing stretch that awakened my muscles and provided a much-needed sense of space and freedom in my spine. With time, I noticed my back pain gradually diminishing. The triangle pose became a favorite of mine as I felt the stretch along the sides of my body and the opening in my hips. This pose helped improve my overall posture and balance, which further alleviated the strain on my back. Finally, the bridge pose helped strengthen my back muscles while simultaneously releasing any remaining tension. I can confidently say that these Fountain of Youth yoga stretches became my secret weapon against back pain. The regular practice of these stretches, coupled with the mindful breathing and increased body awareness, brought about a profound transformation in my well-being. Day after day, as I incorporated these stretches into my morning routine, I noticed a significant improvement. My back pain gradually diminished, and I regained the freedom to move and engage in activities that I had previously avoided. I felt a newfound sense of strength, flexibility, and overall vitality that had been missing from my life for far too long. The Fountain of Youth yoga stretches truly became a source of healing and rejuvenation for me. They not only alleviated my back pain but also contributed to my overall physical and mental well-being. I am grateful for the transformative power of these stretches and continue to incorporate them into my morning routine to maintain a pain-free and vibrant life. If you're experiencing back pain, I encourage you to give these stretches a try. Embrace the journey of self-care and listen to your body's needs. With consistency and patience, you too can experience the incredible benefits of the Fountain of Youth yoga stretches and bid farewell to back pain. Here's to a healthier and happier you. Your assignment is to give these 5 poses a try for 5 days, every morning. See how you feel. If you feel better, then keep doing them past the 5 days. They only take a few minutes, and they've been amazing for not only myself, but several of my clients. By the way, great job on getting this far in the course. You're awesome.